Welcome back to the Vault, where real money pays attention. Let's jump into it. Gold and silver hit new all-time highs as markets react less to Iran tensions and more to a U.S. Department of Justice criminal probe into Fed Chair Jerome Powell, which is seen as a direct attack on Federal Reserve independence and the dollar, reinforcing the case for precious metals amid rising geopolitical and monetary instability. Gold and silver's breakout is a signal of deepening political and monetary risk rather than a short-term news blip. A longtime critic of central banking links current precious metals moves to both a political assault on the Federal Reserve and escalating risks around Iran, framed within a longer historical pattern of currency debasement and off-course bank wars. The DOJ investigation into Powell is effectively a Trump power play over the Fed. The criminal probe, nominally about a $2.5 billion Fed building renovation and Powell's related testimony, is portrayed as a pretext for the Trump administration to pressure or capture the Fed in order to force lower interest rates before Powell's term ends in May. Gold and silver are surging because Fed independence and the dollar are in question. As grand jury subpoenas hit the Fed, gold and silver break record highs, around $4,684 and higher respectively. The markets are pricing in weaker dollar credibility, heightened de-dollarization, and the likelihood of more aggressive monetary inflation if the White House gains control of rate policy. Iran tensions and broader geopolitical shifts amplify the bullish case for precious metals. Possible U.S. military action in Iran, its strategic role in the Belt and Road context, and echoes of the 1979 Iranian crisis, when gold and silver exploded in price, are presented as potential catalysts layered on top of an already fragile system of excessive debt, de-dollarization, and structural distrust in fiat currencies. I expect a turbulent period where political interference in the Fed, rising de-dollarization, and Middle East instability could spark sustained currency debasement rather than a brief spike, so holding physical gold and silver is key to preserving purchasing power, while bond markets, especially long-dated treasuries, may increasingly come under pressure as global demand for dollars erodes. Gold and silver's breakout is a signal of deepening political and monetary risk rather than a short-term news blip. That concludes today's recap. Catch us next time.